Heyo duckies, Andy Lippy here. Source Clone literally came out like 2 weeks ago and Exeldro has updated it yet again. Let's check it out and I'll show you why Source Clone might be a better choice than Source Mirror from Stream Effects. Crack that like button, subscribe, and put your rockin' for the stone. OBS Source Clone is now on version 0.1.1. You can download it from the OBS website or by using our OBS plugin installer from streamup.tips. And trust me, this will make updating plugins so much easier. The first addition is the option to select active clone. We can select this by creating a source clone source, then hitting the checkbox to turn this on. This basically means it tells OBS to act like the original source is actually active. So the source clone becomes the original source, kind of. This means if you are using something like a media source with a video playing and have the option restart playback when becomes active checked, then the source clone will actually copy this property. So if you hide the source clone and show it again, the video will restart. The next addition is the ability to see global audio sources in the clone selection drop-down box. These are the sources that you set in OBS's settings menu under the audio submenu. This can open more possibilities to modify your default audio output without changing the original input. The last addition is to only show the audio channel in your OBS mixer if it is selected as active. This makes your OBS much more organized and look much cleaner. This is unlike Source Mirror, as no matter if the audio channel is enabled, it will always be shown in your OBS mixer. If you love these features, hit that like button. Any questions, bang them down below or check out one of these videos as it will probably answer your questions. Catch you over there, put your rock up at the stone.